guys, this is Purti from Leverage Edu, and in this video today I'll talk about an important aspect of IELTS speaking exam, which is pronunciation. Now before I move further, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. So in this video I'll discuss about the ways in which you can improve your pronunciation for the IELTS speaking exam. Now if you look at the band descriptors of the speaking section, then pronunciation accounts for 25% of your marks. So it's important that you give it due respect and pay attention to it. I'm going to tell you 6 ways in which you can easily improve your pronunciation. Let's start with the first one. The first thing that you need to be careful of and pay importance to is word stress. In English, if you put a wrong stress on a word, then it might sound incorrect and it might be difficult for the listener to understand what you're saying. So if you want to learn, and whenever you learn a new word, make sure that you refer to a dictionary and see where to put the correct word stress. This especially comes in handy when you're dealing with word families. For example, if you look at the word photo, so you're putting the stress on the first syllable, photo. Whereas if you look at the word family and you look at the next word, which is photographer, then you're putting the word stress on the second syllable, photographer. Therefore, it's important to know where to put the stress so that you pronounce the words correctly. Then there are some words which have the same spelling but different meanings. For example, present or present. So if I spell it, it is P-R-E-S-E-N-T. But if I put the different stress on the word, then it sounds different. So for example, present means a gift and present is to introduce. So be careful of word stress. Let's look at the next point now. So the second thing you need to be careful of is sentence stress. So when you say something or when you use a sentence in English, you have to sometimes highlight or emphasize on certain words. Now how do you do that? You say those words a little longer and you give pause while speaking. Don't say everything with the same speed. Show some variation in your speech so that the examiner knows which words do you want to reinforce or highlight. The next thing that you need to focus on if you want to get a good score in pronunciation is clarity. Make sure whatever you're saying and your speech is very clear to the examiner. Sometimes it can happen if you're nervous or you don't know what to say about a topic. You can tend to blabber or mumble your words. But if you do that, you will get a low band score. Or on the other hand, there might be situations when you get a question which you are too familiar with and it is on your tips. So you tend to say it a little faster and with a lot of enthusiasm and excitement. So in that case, you can jabber on. In either case, if the examiner is not able to understand your speech clearly, then he or she will definitely cut your marks. And as a result, you will get a low band score in the pronunciation category. Another way that you can increase your band score in pronunciation is by using intonation in your speech. Intonation is the rise and fall of your tone. If you speak in a flat tone or use monotone in your speech, then it might suggest to the examiner that you have memorized your answer and you're just pouring it out to them instead of speaking naturally. So in order to speak naturally and like a native English speaker, make sure that you use intonation in your voice. Another great way of getting a good band score in speaking is using chunking. Chunking is when you're using or grouping words together while speaking. Let me give you an example to give you more clarity. Listen to my sentence clearly. Chunking is grouping of words while speaking. So in this sentence, I have used chunking is grouping of words while speaking. So while saying this entire sentence, I have broken it down into 3 parts and given short pauses in between. This is chunking. So you group your words together according to the meaning that you want to convey. If you listen to any good native speaker of English, you would notice that they use chunking while giving a speech. So if you want to get a good band score also, then make sure that you practice chunking while speaking. One good way of doing it is by listening to authentic sources and practicing from them. So don't just listen to what they're saying or which words they are using, but also notice their speech patterns or intonation and sounds that they use while talking. And make sure that after listening you repeat what they are saying and you record yourself, which is my next tip. So recording and listening to what you say will help you to understand what the other person listens to while you are speaking. And then you will be able to identify your strengths and your weaknesses and will be able to work on them. So guys, these were all the ways in which you can improve your pronunciation. But make sure that you practice well, and I hope this will help you improve your band score in pronunciation. Alright, I'll see you next time.